everyone, my name is Abhinti Joshi. I study in grade 2D. Today we are going to study the different types of rivers and see how much time it takes to flow. I have made 3 models. First one is a straight river. The second one is a slightly curved one. And the third one is very curved. I have filled 3 glasses with equal content of water. Now let's pierce some holes in the cups and see how much time it takes for the water to flow from the top to the bottom. So now I'm going to remove the pin so the water can flow. Now the second one. Now for the third one. We have put this on a graph. The first one means the straight river took 17 seconds. And the second one means the slightly curved one took 30 seconds. And the third one means the very curved one took 45 seconds. So the straight river took less time. The slightly curved one took a bit more time. And the very curved one took a lot of time because it had to travel a long distance. Thank you friends. Bye bye.